Okay, I have a good feeling about this, and there's nobody here. Here we go. Cactus, you learned yesterday. So let's talk about Bone Wars. It just keeps getting prettier and more unique with every turn. Look, I'm gonna be honest. I just pulled into camp, and this was a slight possibility. This might be my favorite campground ever. I feel like this is going to be one of the most beautiful drives I've ever done. I'm going from southern Colorado, kind of near Durango, up through Pagosa Springs and into what's called Cañon City on the way to Colorado Springs. Just looking at it on Google Maps, it looks like it's going to go through multiple mountain passes and some high ski resort areas. So I'm pretty stoked. This guy, not so much. We've been practicing over and over again, driving, just driving around the campground, and he's gotten so much better, but he still has nerves. So hopefully he'll calm down, because we're gonna be driving for, I don't know, 6 hours today. Plus I need supplies, gotta go to Walmart. Plus there's a waterfall I'm gonna stop at on my way there. I don't know, man, it's gonna be a good day. I'm ready to travel. I haven't traveled in 2 weeks. I'm ready. Let's go. Well, that didn't take long. 1 minute, actually, from that last thing that I just said, for him to poop everywhere. 7 hours. So I decided to stop along the way to a place called Treasure Falls. And I don't think it's going to be passable. It's a hike to get up here to see a vantage point. I don't know, man. Let's see if I can climb through snow. Okay, I see my first glimpse of it. There is no way I don't fall. I hear it though. I'm a little lost too. I'd say that's a sign that there's a big snowbank. Okay, I have a good feeling about this, and there's nobody here. Here we go. I swear when I go through these high mountain passes, I can't believe that people used to do this on wagons. Wagons! So after this long drive, I'm driving into my campground. Are you kidding me? Look at this. I feel like I'm in Sedona. This is absolutely gorgeous. And it's hot. It's really, really hot. I'm really hoping that I have some trees. I don't think so. I don't know. We'll see. This is so beautiful. 13 days. I'm here for 13 days. Let's go. Look, I'm gonna be honest. I just pulled into camp, and there's a slight possibility this might be my favorite campground ever. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm just getting here. Hey, little buddy. Let's see what you think about it. Dude, look at this. So it's apparently a mountain climber's mecca here, as you can see from those kind of sheer walls. It just feels so much like Sedona. It blows me away. There's so many hikes on the drive up here, and I feel like there's a million hikes just right here. There's like 2 stops for day area with trails. I'm so glad I got this place for 13 days. Buddy, you ready to explore for 13 days? I'll take that as a yes. Well, good morning. So it looks like there are 2 hikes that come from this campground. And by the way, just look at this. It's so pretty. I think we're going to tackle this morning, since I'm going to be here for like 13 days. I think we're going to try to climb those things. Let's go find out. So this is called the Sand Gulch area, and this is called Shelf Road, which is a really popular place for sport climbing. That's one that I'm going to check out. It's one of the hikes, and Sand Gulch is the other one that I'm going to try today. Bubs. Good boy. Come on, you can do it. Good boy. Good boy. We have made it to the contest wall. That looks pretty scary. But also look at these views after climbing halfway up that. It's so pretty here. All right, there's another climbing area. We're just gonna keep going. I am clearly no rock climber, but it is cool to see all these routes that you could take here. And then just that boulder hanging out. And you can see all the chalk marks. People that have climbed those ridges. This whole wall filled with chalk lines. It's just a really cool spot to be. It's so pretty up here. Good morning from Shelf Road yet again. This is day number 8 here. I freaking love it here. There's so much to do. This morning we're going fossil hunting. There's a place called Garden Park Fossil Area, which is a kind of a famous area for fossils, for dinosaurs. Stegosaurus was found here. That's neat. So I don't know. We're just gonna walk around and explore and see if we can find a fossil. This place is awesome. Cactus, cactus, buddy. There's so much cactus. So let's talk about bone wars. I guess in the late 1800s there were 2 paleontologists. Is that right? paleontologists? Yeah. That were so focused on naming the most amount of dinosaurs. They both had quarries around here. This is one of them. You can see where it's all been kind of excavated. I don't know, I guess that's a cool story. Stegosaurus is one of them. That was one that I recognized. That came from here. It's really cool here. I'm gonna find a fossil. That's the plan. Or he's gonna find a fossil. He's very fossil focused. I'll just follow you, buddy. Find a fossil. I sort of just feel like a kid who's been given free range to go explore a playground. It's just so fun. Just climbing around here. Still no fossils yet. We're working on it. Hey buddy, don't jump. Maybe. Does that count? All right, we'll keep looking. So 270 crates of fossils and bones were excavated from right here. Right here, including 3 complete skeletons. One of them was a Stegosaurus, which that one's rad, because that one I know. The other ones I don't recognize. It's so cool. Wait, what is that? Is that one? Maybe? Maybe? Okay, so we've made it to the other quarry, which is right on the other side of this, called 4 Mile Creek. So that's where the competing paleontologist worked and excavated. And the cool thing I just learned too is the Stegosaurus that I told you was found complete here is the same one that's in the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. That's pretty neat. It is fully complete and it was found right here. Neat. Maybe. So I'm on my second stop here on Shelf Road. This road, it's only like 7 miles long, but there's so much to do and so much to see on this road. This is called Red Canyon Park, as you can kind of see why. It's so pretty. We're gonna go explore it. Incredibly unexpected. I feel like I'm in the wave or something in Utah. Just brighter and redder in this slot canyon. It's so awesome. This place is so wild. Got caves. These just keeps getting prettier and more unique with every turn. This place is incredible. Look at all this. What a random find. That's not the way. Come on. Well, I think that I am proof that you do not have to be a mountain climber to enjoy this area in Cañon City. There is so much to do, so much to see, so much unique scenery. This place is just blown away. And I've had such stellar weather here too. It's like 62 degrees and not a cloud in the sky. Been phenomenal. What a place. Look at that. You have to see the size of this hail coming out. Look at these giant chunks. Look at this. Make it stop. Poor Vandolph. My poor awning. Things are nuts. Look at this. I don't like this. This episode could have easily been 2 hours long, or like a 6-part adventure series. There's just so much to explore here, and I edited out so much. From exploring the Gold Belt Byway, to being part of the Blossom Festival, to delicious beers at World's End Brewery, to a block party at nearby Florence, to meeting new friends at our temporary home for 2 weeks. This place was just special, and a lot of those things I decided to leave out because honestly, I don't want you to know about them. You see, what makes a lot of this area so incredibly special is that, well, you don't know about it, and very few people do. Some places just need to remain quietly special. Not blown up on social media, not swarmed upon by a digital army. If I sound a bit indignant, it's because I've learned over the many years of travel that some places just need to remain a special place to those that hear about them over campfires. From old-timers at dive bars, from newfound trail mates. This is what will keep those special places special. Until next time, don't be afraid to share those awesome pictures and tell those incredible adventure stories. Seek out conversations from like-minded people. But just remember, you don't always have to share everything, including specific locations of incredible places. Future you will appreciate that. Oh yeah, and keep exploring life with an open mind.
My wristwatch is broken, my shoes are untied. Time is a-ticking, and so is the tide. But I am not worried. Things are what they are. Come rain or come shine or a shooting star. I've been to the south, I've been to the north, east and the west, the middle of course. I may have been astray, but I've never been lost, never been beat by the road I've crossed.